beautiful Manuta, Utah. We went ahead and got the tent set up. We're gonna do a little fishing. It's snowing like crazy out here, so we got out a little late, but we're super excited. We're gonna hopefully catch some trout. There's also some largemouth bass out here that would be really fun to catch through the ice. And yeah, we're just super excited, so we'll go ahead and get into the fishing and just keep catching up with you guys as they come. Thank you again. What's up, everybody? Well, we got the first fish on. Holy cow, they're slimy as heck. Alrighty.
Oh shit, oh I missed it. Oh, got him.
Well, maybe we can get this guy off.
Look.
Got one. Oh, we're hooked up again. Alrighty. Oh, there's mine. Nice little 8-incher. Go ahead and get it back and let's check out the one Morgan got. What'd you get?
Cute little trout.
Awesome. You want me to get it out?
Yep.
Alright, let me see it real quick.
Oh my gosh, they're so slimy.
You can't even hold on to them, huh? Alrighty, there you go. Oh, that one's gonna take a... Alrighty.
There he goes.
Oh, maybe. He's a little confused. There he goes. Awesome. Well, how was that? Awesome. Well, we were able to get 2 of them. I caught one and then my beautiful wife caught one as well. So we had a blast and we're gonna go ahead and head home. We've got about an hour drive home and then all this snow, so it'll be a little while before we get home. But thank you guys so much for checking out Uinta Outdoors. We really appreciate it. And if you guys want, you can go ahead and leave me a like, a subscribe. And we like to post every Monday night. And yeah, thank you again for checking us out and have a great day.